Okay, this past Wednesday, I presented this in class about how to design your own rec center and create a blueprint from it. I'm just going to take you through how I would do this, and then you can see if you were able to follow along. So what I want you to do is to pick 10 out of this chart. So it could be a multi-purpose room. Let's see if I can draw on here or not. Multi-purpose room. Where's my mouse? Here it is. It could be kitchen. Could be a nice arena. Could be a laundry room. Gymnasium. What's that? 5. Let's do a fitness center. These are terrible circles, sorry. Want some office areas, storage, maybe some cleaners rooms. So it's 6, 7, 8, 9. One more. I need some those change rooms. Yes. Okay. So we have those, and I'm going to put those into a list. Okay. So hold on. Okay. So what you were to do is put these in the a list from your top priority to the lowest, and decide on the size of each area. And indoor space is $200 a square foot, and outdoor space is $50 a square foot. Okay, for example, 1,000 square feet times 200 would be $200,000. Okay, once you get to that point, call me. All right, so I'm going to show you my list. Okay, so here's my list. Now I'm going to write down the sizes of each one. So let's say my gymnasium is the same as Georgian College. It's going to be, 100 by 200. And this is the, we're just going to go here. The size of each area. Fitness center, it's going to be, let's say about half that size. I'm going to go 100 by 100. Okay, multi-purpose room. Don't need it that big. Let's go 50 by 50. Storage room. Let's say I needed about 30 feet wide. 30 feet wide by about 100 feet long. Office areas. I have like 4, 5, 6 staff. Excuse me. So let's go with 30 by 30. Let's go 40. Laundry, 20 by 20. Cleaners, whoops, spelled that wrong. Let's go with 20 by 20. That's a big cleaners. Ice arena. It's going to be 100 by 200. Change rooms. It's going to be 2 of them. So these ones are going to be, let's go 50 by 70. And here there's 2, I have to remember that. Oops. We're going to go here, and we're going to go times 2. And then the kitchen. We want to have a kitchen that's 30 by 40 for big functions. Now we have to figure out the size of each of these areas. Excuse me. So we're going to go to this. We're going to go this times this equals, so this is your square foot. And then what we do is, because we have the formula there, we can just drag it down like that. This one, we're going to have to add something in. It's actually times 2. 7,000. So we want to get our total. We're going to go auto sum, and we're going to hit enter, and there's our total, 65,000 square feet. But these are all indoor facilities, so we're going to go cost, and then it's all these square footage times 200. So we're going to take, again, we're going to figure this out. It's going to be that times, whoops, that times 200. This is going to, I'll show you how to do this in a sec. I'm going to carry that down. Those are the prices, but we're going to just go like that, hit that little button. And we're going to get a total. Oh, that's not the total. Hold on a second. And this. Right now, our building is 13.14 million. Okay, hold on 1 second. So that's what our cost. Okay, we're going to switch back to the worksheet for a second. If I can find it. Here we are. Oh, we're going to move this over. I'm going to move it, maybe. So you can see it, maybe. Here we go. Sorry. Okay, so in class, usually I said, once you get to this point, see me. So usually in class, I would say, well, your budget is too high and I'm the owner of this project and I can't afford that. Make a 10% cut. So you have to either cut something out or downsize something. Okay, but we're not doing that right now. Figure out by reviewing your list of what you're able to afford. You may have to change the size of different areas or cut out different areas. Okay, now start stacking and blocking your areas. All right, so let's go back to this. Stop that for a second. All right, so what I want to do, the next part was do, okay, 100 by 200. So each one of these squares is going to be 10 feet. So 100 by 200. So I'm going to write gym here. Oops. Oh, it is there. Okay. Gym. And it's going to be, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 10 by 2. I'm going to go to 20. Okay, that's 10 by 20. I'm just going to outline it. So thick outside borders, we know that is the gym. All right. So it's going to be, this is 100. And down the side is 200. Oops. I don't know why it didn't give me a number there. Probably because you can't see it. There, 100. Okay, so next one will be the fitness center. So I'm going to move this up. Fitness center, it says, is 100 by 100. So I'm going to go. It's going to be 2, 3, 4. Oops. There's 10 by 10. We're going to go outside borders. Boom. So that's 100 by 100. Let's go back here. Change the size to 8. Good. So there's your fitness center. The next one is a multi-purpose room. All right, what do we have there? It is 50 by 50. We're going to go. That's 6. Hold on. There we go. That side. There we go. 50 by 50. Okay, we're getting somewhere. Office area is 30 by 40. What did I say? Sorry. Office area. Oh. We'll go back to storage. 30 by 40. thick outside edges. 30 by 40. Which one did you do? Multi-purpose storage, 30 by 100. Okay. It's going to be, let's go 30 by 100 right there. So this is going to be 100. Let's change that a bit smaller. Whoops, forgot to do my outside edges. It's just 30. Okay, next area. 20 by 20 for the laundry and 20 by 20 for the cleaners. Okay. Side edges. Okay, laundry and cleaners. Next one, ice arena, 100 by 200. By, whoops, by, I think that's, hold on a second, screwed up there. Oop, something's going on, hold on a second. Something's taken over my computer. What the heck is going on here? Yeah. 10 by... Perfect. Ice arena, there we go. And then what do we have left? Change rooms, 50 by 70, two of them. 50 by 70, I think that was 50 by 70. Yep. What I'm going to do is undo that. Oops. And there's my two change rooms, 50 by 70. And I think coming down my last space is the kitchen, 30 by 40. 30 by 40. Okay, so now what I've got is all the different shapes of all my different spaces. They look pretty all right. Okay, so that's what we would call the blocking of the areas. Now what we want to do is stack these into a shape of a facility. So basically, you could, if you have this on paper, you can cut each one of them out and arrange them into a way you'd like to see them. And you also want to add in hallways. So hallways are usually 10 feet wide, and they could be added in afterwards. So we can go down here, hallways, and common areas. So like an entranceway, that sort of thing. Okay, so these would be 10 feet wide. All right, well, everyone gets that, and that's my explanation of that assignment. All right, now this would be your scale. So your scale here, so would be 1 block equals 10 feet. All right, so we know that each one of these is 10 feet. I guess we go 10 feet by 10 feet. Okay. Then we know that if this is 10 feet and it's one block, this is 10 blocks wide, it's 100 feet. Okay. I hope that helps. You can ask me more questions in class.